Hello there, folks. Welcome to another exciting episode of Tech Evolution Chronicles. Today, we're diving into a fascinating journey through time, exploring how long-distance communication evolved from ancient methods to the revolutionary electric telegraph. So, grab your virtual time travel goggles, and let's get started. Before the 19th century, the way people communicated across long distances was quite extraordinary. Ancient civilizations, including China, Egypt, and Greece, relied on some ingenious methods. Drumbeats, signal fires, and even smoke signals were used to exchange information over vast distances. But here's the catch. These methods were heavily reliant on weather conditions and the need for a clear line of sight between sender and receiver. Fast forward to the late 18th century, and we witness the birth of a modern precursor to the electric telegraph, the semaphore system. Developed by brilliant minds, it featured large movable arms and telescopes stationed on hilltops to transmit letters and numbers. However, much like its ancient predecessors, the semaphore had its vulnerabilities. Weather conditions could play spoiler, making it less than effective. Now, here's where things get electrifying. In the early 19th century, two major developments set the stage for the electric telegraph. First, in 1800, the Italian physicist Alessandro Volta invented the battery, which provided a reliable source of electricity. And second, in 1820, Danish physicist Hans Christian Ørsted showed the world the intriguing connection between electricity and magnetism. With these breakthroughs, scientists and inventors worldwide embarked on a journey to create a new communication system. Credit for inventing the telegraph often goes to two sets of researchers, William Cooke and Charles Wheatstone in England, and Samuel Morse, Leonard Gale, and Alfred Vail in the United States. Cooke and Wheatstone's British telegraph system used magnetic needles and electric currents, primarily for railroad signaling. Meanwhile, Samuel Morse, an artist-turned-inventor, developed his own telegraph system. Now, here's the kicker. To transmit messages over telegraph wires, Morse and Vail created what we now know as Morse code. This code assigned dots and dashes to letters and numbers based on their frequency of use. And in 1843, Morse and Vail secured funding to test their telegraph system between Washington, D.C., and Baltimore, Maryland. On May 24, 1844, a historic moment unfolded when Morse sent the first message, "What hath God wrought?" The electric telegraph brought about a communication revolution. It changed the way wars were fought, money was transferred, and newspapers operated. News that once took weeks to deliver by horse and carriage mail carts could now be exchanged almost instantly between telegraph stations. But like all technologies, the telegraph eventually gave way to new innovations such as the telephone. In 2006, Western Union, a prominent telegraph company, officially ended its telegram service after 150 years. However, the telegraph laid the foundation for future communication revolutions, paving the way for technologies like the telephone, fax machine, and the Internet. And that, my friends, brings us to the end of our captivating journey through the evolution of long-distance communication. If you enjoyed this trip through time, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more fascinating tech tales, and ring the notification bell, so you never miss an episode of Tech Evolution Chronicles.